Good morning and welcome to MarineMax Island Marine. Today we're going to take a quick walk around our trade 2017 Chaparral 257 SSX. Black boat, red boot, no bottom paint. Does have the bimini, full covers, boarding ladder, trim tabs, Bavo dual prop, walk down the other side, show you the hole. We'll jump up inside and we'll take a look through. Alright, we'll start at the back, aft facing seats, gray rubber on the deck, white and gray interior. These seats are lounge seats, they're electric. Polk stereo with a remote out here. So these seats do lie flat. There's a wash down. Shower. Insert between the seats. Bucket seats. They rotate. They both are electric, fore and aft. The seat, which is also a table that comes up. Another seat, arch with a bimini. Take a look at the head. Marine head. Glove box. Your dash with the Garmin gauges. 131 hours, speakers, Polk stereo, seating up forward with the filler cushion. There is storage under the helm. It is rated for 16 people. Inside is very nice. Has the snap-down carpeting in the floor. Overall, have to rate the interior of the boat. It's beautiful. Thank you.